It's taken me 4 years to sink into how does my watercolor work in comparison to my acrylic work. It's a different beast. It's a different process. So I definitely think having the patience to let your work evolve has been my biggest struggle.
How can we paint white subjects effectively? Paint an elegant rose using the negative painting method and maximize the use of white. From blending techniques to color mixing or the use of edges, this class will give you a thorough understanding of the basic principles of painting and build you a strong foundation. This class is for beginner to intermediate artists who are well acquainted with the medium and supplies. So download the reference photo and join us in this challenge. Until then, make more art.